Okay. All right. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to say, look, a researcher wishes to estimate with 99% confidence that the population proportion of families who eat fast food per week, her estimate must be accurate within 2% of the population. Okay. So this first thing we're going to do, we're going to say, look, we're looking for, let's do this, 99% confidence level, right? So remember, the area here is 0.99. So if I go 1 minus 0.99, that's 0.01. But we got to take 0.01, we got to cut it in half. So this area over here, 0.005, that one there, 0.005. Okay, we're looking for the positive one, but we can find the negative one easy and then make it positive, right? So look, let's go here. Oh, come on. Let's go second vars, inverse norm, 0.005. Okay, so the positive one would be 2.58. Okay, so now what we're going to do to find our thing here, when we don't have any prior information, my p hat and my q hat are both going to be 0.5. So we're going to go 0.5 times 0.5. Okay, the ZC score, 2.58. Okay, right here, 2% as a decimal, 0.02. So look, let's check that. Okay, let me clear this. 0.5 times 0.5, and then parentheses 2.58 divided by 0.02, and we got to square that guy. Okay, so I'm coming up, at least on mine, I'm coming up with 4160 with change. We always got to round it up, no matter what number we get. We always got to round it up. So I'm going to say 4161. Okay, and let's make sure that, where are we? Boom. That I'm not poking you in the eyes. 4161. Let's check it. All right. Okay.
Let me see, because I'm doing mine at the same time as you're doing yours. Let's see what else. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Now, look, we're going to do this again, but now they're giving me a value for p hat. They're telling me p hat is 26%, right? So look, I'm going to copy this guy right here. Let's copy it. Boom. Let's bring it down this way. Let's drop it right there. Okay. So now I'm going to use the same formula, right? Except now p hat is 0.26. So how do I find q hat? We're going to say 1 minus 0.26. Oops, come on. Minus 0.26, 0.74, right? And then that stuff is still the same. Okay.
So that part stays the same?
Yeah, that part still stays the same, right? So look, we're going to do this 0.26 times 0.74 times, and then we had, what is it, 2.58 divided by 0.02. Close it off. Let's square the whole thing. Okay, so I'm coming up with 3201 and change. So wouldn't it be 3202? Okay, 3202. Let's check this guy. 3202. Let's check it. Alrighty. Okay, now we want to know. I'm sorry? You got it wrong? Okay, I'll check. We'll check with you in a second. Look, let's see. How do the results from A and B compare? Okay, so look, when we didn't have a point estimation, we used zero point 0.5. We got 4161. Then when we did, it went down to 32. So what did it do? It reduced the minimum sample size, right? Let's check that, and we got it. Okay, and let's see, where is this thing? Here we go. Hide.